All right, guys, we're coming at you again from Adrenaline Cycles here to show you one of our custom builds we done for a customer out of Ohio by the name of Mike Bilski. He chose the 2020 XRC Turbo RR, 195 horsepower. And some of the features we did on this machine is we actually installed the tree kickers. We got a local guy that builds these tree kickers down the road from us. They give real good protection on the plastics, fender flares, all your doors. Mike on this machine, he wanted to ensure that the mud, the water was kept off of them. So not only did he get the BRP fender flares, but he also did the extension. This is made in-house here at Adrenaline Cycles. We customized this and install it on these units. Now, we all know that the 2020 comes with the 15-inch Liberty on 32-inch tires there. He swapped to a Carnivore on a KMC XD alloy. Now, the Carnivores are very good tires, great for trail riding, all-terrain tire, good all-around tire. And you'll notice here he did the pre-runner front bumper with a KFI winch on the front with a synthetic rope. It's really great. The synthetic rope is nice, guys. It keeps the kinking and the bending out of the cabled winch. You'll notice that Mike also went with the Super ATV flip windshield. The very nice feature, it gives you the ability to actually vent or open up to give you maximum airflow in the machine. One of the super cool things about this machine, guys, is the Audio Forms top that he did. Now, with this Audio Forms top, not only do you get an awesome sound, and guys, one of the cool things about this top is it actually comes with the Audio Forms remote that changes the color setting on the ring around your speakers here. It is Bluetooth connectability, so with that being said, check it out. You've got the red, green, blue, orange, yellow, white. I don't know what color that is. Purple. All right, guys, so I showed you the inside of the top and all the different settings with the light color change and the Bluetooth connectability. Now, this top is actually Rhino line. It's a very hard, durable top. It comes with the light bar in the front and the back. Very bright light bars. And then if you check back out here in the rear, you'll also see your 6-inch light bar located in the rear. Guys, another feature you'll actually notice on this machine is Mike chose to do the air relocation kit here. What this does is it'll actually port the intake located on the inside of the machine. It'll relocate this and open it up in the back. That ensures that it quietens down the cab of the machine. It's not going to be loud. When that turbo kicks in, it does give a high pitch frequency. What that does is dampens that noise down a whole lot and makes your ride a whole lot more enjoyable. Another feature you'll notice that Mike went with was the pivoting rack located on the back. This is going to give you extra room for storage. You can mount your cooler up here. You can mount your dry storage down here, vice versa. Your choice. Options are endless. He also did the pre-runner rear bumper in the back. Guys, once again, any kind of protection you can get on these machines is going to be an idea to do. Mike, I just wanted to say we appreciate your business. We thank you for the opportunity to build this buggy for you. If you need anything else, guys, call Adrenaline Cycles. Look us up online. We'll do our best to complete your next build.